What's next?
Sa bago matutulong at pag-ising.
Yeah. How did you rate it?
Just good.
Yeah, read it in Tagalog. Kayang-kaya, mahusay na, o kailangan ko pa na?
Mahusay na.
Okay. Next.
Paggalang sa matatanda.
Again.
Paggalang sa matatanda.
Okay, respecting elderly people. What's your rating?
Really good.
Oh, in Tagalog.
Kayang-kaya.
Okay, next.
Pagkain ng gulay.
Eating vegetables. How do you rate yourself?
Kayang-kaya.
Okay, next.
Pagliligpit ng bagay o laro lang ang ginamit.
Cleaning up after playing.
I'm not so good at that.
Yeah, read in Tagalog.
Kailangan ko pa ng tulong.
Okay, next.
I'm not so good at that, right?
It's you who rate it. You rate yourself. So there's no wrong, there's no right answer. It depends on how you feel and how you think. How good are you? So next.
Oh, I forgot. I didn't. Did I did this one? I was like wrong. I was. Where were we?
Pagliligpit. You're done with it. What's next to that?
Pagsisipilyo ng ngipin at paghuhugas ng kamay.
So brushing your teeth and washing off your hands. What?
I don't know how to brush my teeth all by myself.
So what did you rate yourself to?
Langgan ko pa ng tulong.
Okay, what's next?
Pagsusuot ng medyas at sapatos.
Wearing your socks and shoes. How did you rate yourself?
Kayang-kaya.
Next.
Pagkukulay ng drawing.
Drawing, drawing and coloring. Coloring your drawing. How do you rate yourself?
That's so good. It's kailangan ko pa ng tulong.
Next.
I'm not so good at.
Next.
Pakikipaglaro ng hindi nakikipag-away.
So playing without fighting.
I'm not so good at that.
Hindi, what's the answer in Tagalog?
Kailangan ko pa ng tulong. Papakilala sa sarili.
Introducing yourself.
Kailangan ko pa ng tulong. Hey, Papa. It's
Done?
yeah.
Okay, that's how you rate yourself.
It's kailangan ko pa ng tulong. Okay, let's
And
go.
overall, how do you rate yourself? Just sit there, go back. How do you rate yourself doing the seat work?
I rate myself as 10 out of 10.